Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MyChart step by step clearly. To activate MyChart, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for your healthcare provider's MyChart portal. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up or Activate MyChart option. Click on that link to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your first and last name as it appears in your medical records. Next, enter your date of birth in the specified format. If required, input your email address for verification purposes. You may also need to enter your phone number for additional security. After entering all necessary information, click the Next button. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll receive a link to create your password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. After setting your password, confirm it by entering it again. Once your password is established, click Submit to finalize the activation. You should see a confirmation message indicating successful activation. Now, you can return to the MyChart login page. Enter your username and newly created password to sign in. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your MyChart account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.